Hi, in this part we will see data conversion. Means we will convert any data to another data type like integer to string, string to int, byte to string, string to byte, something like, right? So we have an integer type big int. So let's create a variable and store in a string. So int to string, right? And equals to, we have a class which is integer, right? So let's type integer and call the method integer have the method which is to string. So it will convert your integer data to an string, right? And just copy and paste it here because big int is an integer. And let's console it, let's print it out, this system dot out dot println, and here just copy and okay, let's sort name I for integer and to s for string, I to s. So 25 is now string, not integer, right? So let's do some more experiment to convert any data to another data type, right? So b2s means byte to string, right? b2s byte to string, and let's uh, class byte dot to string, right? And let's b2s just copy and paste it. Let's run it. Or it's have an error, so let's fix it, right? So we have just byte, right? So let's copy this big byte and paste it here and let's run. So now 100 is string, not a byte, right? So plus sign, this is called concatenation operator, right? So it will connect your variable and string. So we have add a plus sign and 100, this is let's remove these, and 100 is string now, right? So it's pretty simple to convert any data type to any another data. So let's convert uh, uh, long to string. So just type it long, and l to s means long to string, right? And let's paste it here, right? And let's refresh. So this value is now string, not long, right? So likewise you can do for float, for boolean, for character, for string, anything, right? So f2s for float to string, right? And just copy and paste it here, and f2s float to string. So let's copy and let's paste it here. So float to string, and let's run this application. Okay, so likewise you can do for all the data types to convert any string, right? So now what we will do to convert your string data to any other data like string. Now we will convert string to int, byte, short, long, float, boolean, character, something like, right? So these are the string data, I2s, B2s, LTS, right? F2s. These are the string data, and we will convert this data into integer, right? Again we will convert integer, right? So just store we have a data type int, right? And s2, okay, s2 int means string to int, right? You can give any variable name, and let's call integer dot parse int, right? And this inside we just copy I2s because integer to string, because this time this is the string data and we will convert again in integer, right? So this way we can convert uh, string to integer, right? So let's console it, system dot out.println, and just copy and let's paste it here, right? So it's pretty easy. And this is integer means int value, right? So we know that 25 is integer value again, right? Because at this time we have a convert string to int again, right? Likewise we can do for the byte, for the long, for the short, for everything, right? So let's do some more thing it here to understand data conversion, right? So this is the parse uh, integer. Okay, let's plot, right? Plot and parse plot, right? And for plot, just f2s, just copy and paste it here, right? And this is the plot value. So f2 string to float, right? S to float, right? So let's copy and paste it here. Pretty simple. And just change it to a float, right? And let's run this one. So 3.4 plot value again, right? Because before this one, this value has a string type, right? And we have converted into an float, right? So likewise you need to do an experiment to your own self, right? So we have some methods, parse, sort, right? And also we have lots of methods, right? I am typing comment, so you can do to yourself, right? Parse long, right? Parse int, parse double, parse right? Parse boolean, right? And parse parse double, right? Parse short, parse long. Okay, so this is the very simple tutorial to convert a data, right? Any data means int, float, double to string. If you like this video,